I'm Jack from Jack Review Stuff, and today I'm here with the Rode Wireless Go. This is very important. If you don't want to use a boom pole, then you have to use an external recorder, and then you gotta sync it up in post, and that can get quite annoying, especially when you have a lot of retakes and you have like 10 audio files with all the names there. Yep, all the names there, and you're not sure which goes for where. Okay, unboxing. Okay. Okay. Show the packaging first. I love these tear things. So satisfying. Okay, quick start guide. Part of the box so you won't lose it, which is quite a good idea. I always lose the quick start guides. This is attached. Yep, this is attached. Okay, we have a dead cat for use outdoors, or if you have like a very strong aircon. And we have a TRS cable. Okay, this whole system is using TRS, which is tip ring sleeve. That's like the standard 3.5mm, but in recent years phones have TRS, which means that the mic and the headphones are the same cable. And then now, thanks to Apple, also we have no more mic cables. Okay, so this one we need. Okay, so it's not completely wireless, it has one wire, but close enough. Okay, this one is the receiver, so the LCD here, and the transmitter is here, no LCD. Oh yeah, oh, this is good. Okay, this one came out like 7 months ago, and why am I buying it today, and why am I making a review today, like 7 months later? Actually, I started my YouTube channel like 6 months ago, so actually it's very good timing that this thing comes out just before I start YouTubing properly. Thing is that this one's like expensive because it's premium product. It's around 800 bucks, although you can get better price if you come to this shop. So I was thinking, okay, why do I want to spend 800 bucks? I can do without. And actually no, I can't do without. In fact, I ended up buying all kinds of mics and things which are cheaper than 800 bucks, but the price adds up. So yeah, if I can give you one piece of advice, it's just buy this. Don't even think, buy it straight away. It's a premium product, it's premium. You don't need to hide it in your shop, just leave it there because it's premium. Like, oh okay, oh Rode, not bad. Alright. USB-C connection. The battery lasts 7 hours. We know that with lithium batteries, the battery life will get lower and lower. Doesn't matter, 7 hours is plenty. Same with the range. This range is 250 feet or 230 feet. That's a lot of feet. In fact, you can get tired walking there. It's enough. And one reason why they say so many feet is because for people who want to hide their mics, put it behind them, they go through their body. Yeah, you need more feet for that. It's pretty good. Use promo code JACK for 10% discount. Yep. Okay lah, it's not magic, it's a wireless mic, but it's a premium wireless mic, and there are no other alternatives on the market. There are cheaper wireless mics, but they're not alternative. Why not? Because it's not premium. And importantly, that the gain controls, volume control, is on the receiver, not the transmitter. That way your guests cannot play and press the buttons. In fact, there's like no buttons on the transmitter, only one for pairing, and you have to hold that down for a few seconds. So it's all good. Buy it now. Yeah, this is just for props because it's not connected, in case you guys go freak out. Oh no, not connected. Yeah. Okay, for some reason it wasn't working straight away out of the box. I had to restart them once. Okay, so I press here, turn off the power on that one as well. Then when I turn them back on, I press the pair button for 3 seconds. The Wi-Fi thing will be like flashing. Okay, it looks like Wi-Fi. I don't know if it's Wi-Fi lines. Then this one you press it once and it pairs immediately. Mic check. So this is at my mouth but pointing away. Mic check. And pointing towards me. It's omnidirectional, so it doesn't matter where it goes. I wonder, has anyone tried pairing behind them? Like this. Can you guys hear me? Mic check. Behind me, mic. 1, 2, 3. In front, 1, 2, 3. Okay, microphone test. This came out of the box just now. I pressed the power button on both units and it's supposed to pair immediately, but mine didn't. So I turned everything off again and turned it back on, and I pressed the pairing button for 3 seconds, and I pressed this button once to repair, and it worked. So how's the sound? Does it work? I'm going to clip it to my shirt. Talking to the left, talking to the right. Any difference? Bye now. Yeah, I'm not really excited about this because it's not something that I really want. It's something that I really need. Also, levels. My XT3 is set to minus 12 dB, which is halfway, and the roll settings, wireless go, is at lowest. There's like low, medium, high. This is low, and the microphone actually is kind of hot, meaning it's a quite loud volume. So don't go and max it out if you're not sure. Put it on minimum and then check your camera. Subscribe. I got too excited. I didn't show the whole box. Okay, there's desiccant. There's 2 dead cats. This shop's giving a free cable. Okay, I'm at Promax Digital in beside Ting Hotel. There's 2 USB-C cables. These alone is worth like $50. Totally worth it. And there's a bag. I mean, it's not crush proof, but it's for scratch and shock resistance.